Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great Saturday. It's time for my liquid collagen and my trim. I'm so excited. I get so excited to take this in the morning. Is that weird? It like actually makes me excited to take it because I know it's just going to make me look and feel my best. Headed to my friend's baby shower from high school. How cool is that? I'm so excited that she's having a baby, you guys. That's just a side note. But anyways, 1 tablespoon of the trim. I'm taking the lemon this morning. I go between the lemon and the peach because I just love both so much. Oh my gosh, literally, it's like so fun to take because it tastes like lemon cake first thing in the morning. And then I also take the liquid collagen as well. And you know, sometimes I just take it straight out of the bottle because when I'm running out the door, I just need to take a couple swigs out of the bottle. It's getting low. Hopefully my next shipment's on its way. But anyways, if you guys want $10 off, then you can swipe up now, use my link or use my code here. And if you have any questions, you can text me and I'd love to help you figure out what liquid collagen is the best one for you. They have the Life, the Sport, the Skin, the Pure, all of the different types. So I can help you figure out what one is best for you. But my hair, skin, and nails and my joints have never looked or felt better. So you guys, I swear by this stuff. Check it out. Swipe up now.